Hey, were you the same Spider-Man that called my mom fat that one day?
I don't know, could be.
Remember you said my mom needed Jenny Craig?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you remember that, bro.
Huh?
You remember that, bro. I remember you. You called my mom fat.
Oh, she was.
She was fat?
Yeah, I don't know. 788 star.
Sorry?
788 star.
He said, fuck your mama. Yo, what's good, guys? Youngdougla is in his fucking natural habitat. I almost ate shit on the stairs. But anyways, I'm here in fucking Hollywood Boulevard, as you guys can tell, and I'm gonna be burping and just trolling in public. I'm gonna be doing funny shit, and let's just see what happens, guys. If you like this fucking video, if you think it's funny or anything at all, make sure to drop a goddamn like, comment, subscribe, and tell all your homies, bruh. And I love you all, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video, you know what I'm saying? Choo! Thank you.
It's always good to see you. It's a little windy here. Oh, the tips are going down.
I don't mess with any kind of illegal drugs. I know that song. You okay?
Bro, what the fuck?
What I'm thinking is that it was a good song.
How much? Can we only get one? Yeah. Alright. That was actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, what?
Only one per person.
Oh no, see, I'm Youngdougla, Rugla, and there's Dougla. So, can I have one more, please?
Only one per person.
Bro, please, please?
We've already got two.
Could you at least subscribe to my YouTube channel?
You do not know God. Of the Lord Jesus Christ.
Hey!
Like this guy.
Hey, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? Just look up Youngdougla, hit me up, and I'll let you fuck one of my bitches.
Fair enough. Young
No,
Dougla?
yeah, Youngdougla.
Okay.
I'll let you fuck one of my bitches, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, you already know. What the? Excuse me, could I order one sex on the beach? Yeah, can I have one sex on the beach, right? Alright, can I get some Henny? They said I could just pull up. Rich the Kid sent me.
What the fuck, man? Fucking nigga. Why you do they fucking do that shit for? You come over here burping this shit, man, fucking asshole. You're an asshole. Fucking pain over here.
You know what I'm saying?
What the fuck, man?
Can I hop on? Can I try to, hey bro, what? Hey. Can I get it on? Hey Jordan! Hey Jordan! Hey! Oh. Oh shit, bro, did we really just get in for free? Youngdougla in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Bro, I can't believe we really just got in for free. It costs like $45 to get into this shit, bro. Can you go in here?
Nah.
Yes, you can. You can crawl through here, come on. Bro, no way. Bro, no fucking way. Look at this. You can keep coming through here and like, come on, bro. Dead ass. Like, look at this shit. Whoa, bro. We really just finessed and got into this bitch for the free. So look at this. We got this right here for 25 cents, bro. All I gotta put in, look, I guess all I gotta do is put in 25 cents. 25 shots. Let's get it. All right, bro. Oh, shit. This is just behind the scenes of what Dougla does. We do this all the time, bro. I can't believe we got in here. Hey, hold up, before you come over here real quick. What's this? Check this out. Oh, hey, that's dope. Alright guys, even though I know this ain't the end of the video, I'm gonna need you to drop a fucking like, comment, subscribe, bro. Show all your homies, you feel me? Cause Youngdougla is out here for the people. I'm out here just trolling, you know what I'm saying? I do all this shit for you guys. I mean, I do all this shit for you guys, but I do all this shit for me too, cause I like having fun. We got this dude taking pictures of me, recording me. We got this dude over here, these guys over here taking pictures, you feel me? Jesus Christ. Check this out, you see that? What do you guys guess is on there by just staring at it from like that? You can't even see it, right? It's some small ass shit. Look through the holes of these binoculars, bro. Look at that shit. Look. It's a bitch on a diamond, bro. Hey, that was actually really worth the money. Thank you.
I'm really glad you said that. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. You too. So I'm over here chilling at Wendy's with my brother, you feel me? After we film a prank video, this is what we do. We come to a spot and we just fucking grab. As you can tell, I got my 4 for $4. I got my fries, my drink, my nugget, you feel me, and my burger. So if you guys don't follow me on fucking Snapchat, boom, I'm gonna need you right there. Screenshot that. It's Youngdougla 1. Bro, I'm still burping up from today, dead ass. Like, not even from the soda, bro. It's my stomach hurts. So we just touched down at Casa Dougla's house, you feel me? And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be reacting to my fans' music. Chew. And look, if you were one of those people that like sent me one of your songs and you didn't end up making it in the video, just be fucking grateful, because a lot of that shit was just straight cringe. I'm being dead ass, bro. A lot. If you didn't make it in the video, be grateful, bro, because it's a lot of shit. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, so the first runner-up SoundCloud rapper, his name is Miguelizito. He sent me his shit in my DMs and he wanted me to check his shit out. But that's his shit right there, SoundCloud. Go hit him with the follow, you feel me? Let's get into this fire shit, bro. This is shit was going through my head by Miguelizito. We're gonna be playing through Bluetooth.
Playing through.
Bro, that's his name. No, alright, see, look. Alright, bro, we're gonna be playing it through the Bluetooth speaker, and yeah, we're gonna be listening to Miguelizito. I'm gonna keep it 100.
Shit was going through my head right now. I'm a police when I drink so loud. Shit was going through my head right now. I'm a police trying to get fucked every night.
What?
Trying to get fucked every night. Hold up, bro. Look at the way you look, bro. You wasn't
talking about.
Bro, he is not getting no dumpy. I'm not trying to be an asshole, bro.
I'm a police when I drink so loud. Shit was going through my head right now.
What is that? No, that's not a part of the song.
Bro, he produced the beat.
Bitches don't understand.
That is literally.
Wait.
I'm just trying to treat them. I swear I told her right from head to feet. She was going through my head right.
All of his music is produced by him. Alright, keep that in mind.
Whoa, no!
be honest, miguelizito, I have no clue what the fuck you were talking about. I did not understand one word. But other than that, guys, that was the end of the fucking video. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. Everything's gonna be in the description. And if you guys make music, add me on Snapchat and send me your SoundCloud links. And I might fuck around and make a whole video reacting to my fans' music, guys. So anyways, other than that, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. And I love all of you. Shout out miguelizito, you feel me?
Hey, real shit though. Whatever his name is.
It was low.
It was cool.
It was kind of trash.
Yeah.